This is the 2023 Kia EV6 Wind Long Range Rear Wheel Drive. The EPA range on this is 310 miles. Alright, starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Alright, moving on to the rear seats. You can see it has the Meridian surround sound. USB-C. There's the V2L. Moving on to the front. Here you can switch between climate control and then your entertainment settings. Ventilated seats and seat heaters. Wireless phone charger. It also has a technology package. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our 2023 Kia EV6 Wind Long Range Rear Wheel Drive.